Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the frequency function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple, and its goal is really to calculate how often a certain value will occur in a certain data set. So for example, the number of ones, the number of twos, number of threes, number of fours, and the number of five in this case. So to be able to work with this function, we only need two arguments. So the first argument will simply be the data set in which we want to look for the numbers. And the second argument is simply the number for which we are looking for. So let's write this function right here. So pretty simple, we are going to start with an equal sign and then just write down frequency. And then we can open up our parentheses. And the first element will be our data array. So it's all the database that we want to look for, in which we want to look for the numbers. Once we have our data array, the second element will be the numbers for which we want to look for. So in our case, we want to look for these numbers right here, so from 1 to 5. And then we can just close our parentheses, and just like that, we know that there is 2 number 1s, 3 number 2s, 7 number 3s, 4 number 1, and 3 number 5s. So if we verify right here, for example, if we look for the number 3s, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 number 3s. So if we refresh the page, once again, since those are random numbers, it will automatically refresh it, and it's automatically going to change right here. So if this time we calculate our number 3s, it says 0. So there is no number 3s in this data set. So this is how we use the frequency function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below and find there all my Excel courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.